Alright, good morning hated fan, welcome back to the channel. We are headed off to Driven Auto Show in Halifax. So got the truck all shined up, coolers loaded up, back seats loaded up. We're gonna hit the road, so let's do this. We'll catch up to you guys in a little bit.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go.
Alright everybody, so here we are in Halifax at the Driven Auto Show. As you can see, we're inside the truck because it has been raining and the weather is not very pleasant outside. So yeah, there's not going to be much to this from outside of the truck. Going to do a little bit of a walk around of the show, and I think we have a little bit of a walk around of somebody else's truck that you may know from Instagram here. We're going to do that in a little bit as long as he's still down for it. Otherwise, enjoy the drift demo and a little bit of a show that I did get recorded here, and we'll catch up with you guys.
What better name, society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah.
Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I won't obey. You cannot tell me what I cannot say. I'm here to last, so yeah, I'm here to stay. I'll live each second like my final day. You can't take that away, yeah.
Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
Okay, so it is the next day here after the show, and we're going to go over some products that we picked up yesterday from Jax Wax Canada. Also just want to take a quick moment, take a stop, let you guys know that this video today is sponsored by S&A Company along with Alpha Defense Company. If you're looking for a nice new sun hat, face shield, bullet antenna, silicone rings, anything like that, head over to the S&A Company website. use code JOHN with the capital J. Code's right here, JOHN10. That'll save you 10% off of all of your orders. Stuff's super high quality. Their shipping's really good. Everything shows up on time. And yeah, it's just a super great product to be using, or to be purchasing. Okay, so let's get into the Jax Wax bucket that we picked up here. Okay, so what we ended up with, we got a nice new wheel and tire brush came with it. Got a nice applicator sponge. Super nice, soft, plush, fluffy wash mitt. A couple of microfiber towels. You can never have too many microfiber towels. And then we've got a microfiber applicator pad. And then we've got a whole bunch of chemicals, which I'm just going to take out here so that I can put all this other stuff back in the bucket so that we don't get it dirty. Okay, so we've got the Jax Wax Cannon soap. I smelled this. It smells like grape, which is amazing. So we're about to use this on the truck because the truck's absolutely filthy because of the drive. We've got some citrus super citrus all-purpose cleaner. This is going to be, I mean, it's exactly what it says it is. It's an all-purpose cleaner. It's going to be good for your wheels, your tires. It's going to be good for your wheel liners as well. Brand new bottle of interior cleaner. Super excited to get to use this. It's got a super nice fruity smell to it, so that's going to make your interior smell very, very nice. Bottle of glass cleaner. And then we've got a bottle of Shine All, which is kind of like your like a VRP. So it's going to help you get that, like, you know, that factory fresh shine on your dash and all your plastics and everything. That all came in the bucket, and then I also picked up a bottle of their Body Shine, which is their quick detailer. So yeah, we're gonna get into washing the truck now. There you go. So that's what the road trip to the show yesterday did to the truck. So we're gonna take our Cannon soap here and our super citrus, and we're gonna get this thing nice and cleaned up and back to being shiny again. So there you have it. The Jax Wax Cannon soap has the truck looking like a mirror. And I'll be 100% honest with you, it actually smells like grape. Like seriously, the outside of my truck actually smells like grape. It's kind of weird, but hey, I'll take it. So yeah, there you go. Hope you enjoyed my little trip to Driven Auto Show, and then checking out some Jax Wax products.
I'll probably give it about a week or so, and then I'll do a full review on it, just to really give my thoughts and whatnot. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you smash subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss any uploads in the future, as Jax Wax and I may or may not be working on a little something for you guys and me. You won't know, I guess, unless you subscribe. So we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.